Hello. In the motor diagram shown, this is the magnet. This is the north pole of the magnet, and this is the south pole of the magnet. Okay, of the steady magnet. This is the north pole of the steady magnet, and this is the south pole of the steady magnet. Now this is our conductor, as shown in the diagram also. So it will be placed here like this. Okay. So this is A point. This is B. A B. So this line is A B. A B. This line is AB. And now this line here is CD. CD. CD from here to here. CD. So we are going, current is flowing from A to B like this, in this direction here. And for this it is flowing in this direction, C to D like this, CD. So AB current is flowing from here like this. So current is flowing from here, AB and CD. AB and CD, like this current is flowing. Okay. So we have to tell in which direction this conductor will move. Now this conductor is an electromagnet. This conductor is an electromagnet, and this magnet is a steady magnet, north to south. North to south is, this is the steady magnet, and this is the electromagnet. Okay. Why it is an electromagnet? Because current is flowing from A, B and C, D. So whenever current flows through a conductor, it is an electromagnet. Now we have to tell in which direction this will move, this conductor will move. So we have to apply Fleming's left hand rule. Fleming's left hand rule. Okay, so I will keep it here, but it is suspended here. You imagine it is suspended here, but for now I will keep it here. Now Fleming's left hand rule. Middle finger is the direction of the current. First finger is the magnetic field of the steady magnet. So let us apply Fleming's left hand rule for CD. So current will come in this direction, because like this, CD, current is flowing towards me, CD like this, CD. The first finger is magnetic field of north to south steady magnet like this. So the thumb will tell the direction of the force like this. So CD will be moving upwards, because thumb is pointing upwards. So CD will be moving up. Okay. Now for AB, all we have to do is reverse the direction of the current. So I just have to turn my hand like this. Don't move the wrist of the hand. Just move it like this, across from the elbow. From the elbow I have to move like this. So middle finger is now going inwards for AB like this. Current is flowing AB like this. And first finger is north to south. And thumb is going downwards. See. So just move your hand from the elbow. So CD is like this. The middle finger is north to south. Middle finger is CD, current direction. Middle finger is CD, current direction. First finger is magnetic field, north to south. And thumb is force upwards. So CD will move upwards. Then AB, I have to change the direction of current like this, because AB current is going like this. So as we see the thumb direction, it is going downwards. So AB will move downwards, AB will move downwards, and CD will move upwards like this. So this conductor will start moving like this. This will become a motor, and it will start moving like this. Okay. Why? Because AB will move downwards and CD will move upwards. So like this. So like this movement will keep happening. Okay. So this becomes a working of a motor. Yes. Thank you.